Hey everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Today, we are going to create this. This video, sponsored by Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an online learning community, with more than 27,000 classes in design, video editing, motion graphics, and more. Premium membership gives you unlimited access, so you can join any class, and take them anywhere, anytime. Learn, collaborate, or even teach a class by your own. Whether you want to fuel your curiosity, creativity, or even career, Skillshare is the best option for you. Visit the link from the description below, and first 500 people will get 2 months for free. In case you don't want to follow this tutorial, you can download this free template from the link in the description. So, let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Let's call it Cinematic Film Title. I am using the 1920 by 854 resolution to achieve a wider frame look. Also, my frame rate is 24 to get the cinematic feel. And a duration of 10 seconds. Now the first step is to import the video files into the project. I am using the clips from the Lucent Light Leaks pack. This pack contains 80 high-quality light leak footage. Each clip is shot at 60 frames per second, at a resolution of 2K. You can buy this pack from the link in the description. I am using Lucent 55 and Lucent 58 number clip. By the way, you can free download these 2 clips from the link in the description. Import these files into the project, and then grab this Lucent 58 clip, and place it onto the timeline. Cool. This clip's duration is only 4 seconds, but we need to make it 5 seconds longer. You can do it easily, just simply right-click on your video clip, go to the time, and select Time Stretch. A new window will appear. Here, change the new duration value to 5 seconds, and then hit OK. Let's add our text. You can even use your logo if you need. Go to the tools, and select the text tool. Click anywhere on the screen, and start typing your text. Eject from the typing tool, and make sure to align your text into the center. For my text layer, I am using this Android font. You can download it from the link in the description. I am using a font size of 150. You can use any color you want. Now go to the project window, and this time grab this Lucent 55 clip, and place it right below the text layer. Again right-click on it, go to the time, and choose Time Stretch. Change its new duration value to 5 seconds, and then hit OK. As you can see, these clips are now 5 seconds longer. Let's add some animation to the text now. Click on this arrow, to expand the text properties. Here you will find this animate icon, click on it, and choose tracking. Now go to the first frame, and then add a keyframe on the tracking amount. Go to the 5-second position, and change the tracking amount value to 10. Now our text tracking is increasing, and it is showing this nice motion. Cool. Now we are going to use the track matte for the light leak. If your track matte tab is not available here, press F4 to switch between. If your F4 key is busy in purchasing the Lucent Light Leaks pack, then right-click here, go to the columns, and choose modes. As well as switches, because we are going to need them. Now change the track matte to the alpha matte. And your text will look like this. This is not your text exactly, this is the light leak footage, in the shape of your text. Let's make the light leak size smaller, so that it can cover the text perfectly. Press S, to open scale. And change the scale value to around 40%. Now the text is looking much better. Cool. Let's change its blending mode to the screen, and it will blend with the light background more nicely. I don't like how the light is shining at the beginning of this text appearance. But we have a quick solution for it. Simply, right-click on your layer, go to the time, and select the time reverse layer. It will reverse all the motions of your clip. The first frame will become the last frame, and the last frame will become your first frame. Check, it is looking much better. Let's move to the next step. I am to new adjustment layer, make sure to place it on top of all layers. Let's call it CC. Now go to the effects and the presets, and search for the curves. Apply it onto the layer, and let's adjust a few settings. I am adding an S-curve onto the RGB channel, to add some contrast to it. Just add a little contrast, not too much. Cool. Now the last step. Create a new solid layer. I am calling it lens flare. Make sure to use black color for it, else it won't work perfectly. Again go to the effects and the presets. And this time search for the lens flare. This is an inbuilt lens flare effect, you don't have to download it from anywhere. Apply it onto the layer, and here you will see worst looking lens flare ever. Even, most of you would like to unsubscribe my channel. But wait. We can make it better. First, change the lens type to the 105mm prime. Now select the lens flare layer, and press S, to open scale. Click on this link icon, so that you can change the width and height individually. Now change the Y scale value to 2%. Also, I am changing the X scale value to 50%. It will make the lens flare smaller. Now change the blend mode to the color dodge. And it will blend with our scene nicely. Use the Shift plus arrow keys, to align your lens flare position, to right below your text letter. In case you need, you can change the flare brightness value to 75%. To make your flare even shorter. Cool. This lens flare will appear, as soon as your logo, or text file appears. Now select the lens flare once again, and make a duplicate of it. This time, I am going to place it right above the letter T. Of course you can place it anywhere you want. I am just showing you the way, destiny is yours. Preview this, and see if you like it. Cool. This looks good to me, but there is a little problem. My lens flares are showing right after the light leaks layer, so we need to trim them out. Simply, go to the 5th second position. Select both lens flares layers, and then press Ctrl, plus Shift, plus D, to split them. Hit the delete button. Press N, to set the end playback position, and now we are good to go. Preview this, and our animation is complete. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching this tutorial, have a good day.